California has been vulnerable to drought and wildfire for all of its history. Perhaps it's the surge of media coverage that we experience now, but it seems to be getting worse. When I was a child, I don't remember thinking of California as a place of risk. Growing up on the East Coast, I had a fascination with the West Coast state that has great weather, mountains, and shores. It seemed to offer it all, but along with the good comes the bad. What interests me most about the climate in California is the relationship between droughts and wildfires in the region. They seem to fit hand in hand. Researching the causes and effects of both droughts and wildfires, they appear to feed each other. It's not that either of these cause the other, but because of the climate, these two combine, along with the climate, and increase each other's ability to destroy. The recent California drought began in 2011 and hung on for a long time, due to a strong ridge of high pressure. This pushed storms north, away from the areas where precipitation was needed most. And along with the movement of storms, this also worked to weaken the typical cooling mechanisms of the ocean regions surrounding California. On the other hand, we know that the frequency of fire within an ecosystem is highly affected by soil moisture, along with temperature, relative humidity, and wind speed. It's quite obvious that because of California's dry climate, they are more susceptible to droughts and wildfires. Unfortunately, as the climate continues to warm, these problems will only grow. Both droughts and wildfires have become more frequent in the last few decades and only show signs of increasing. Droughts leave us at a deficit of a very important resource, while wildfires simply destroy. Both of these problems are difficult to solve, but I did find one fact interesting and also encouraging. There seems to be one good outcome of the relationship between wildfire and droughts. Due to water scarcity, less growth may help to limit wildfire potential.